Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Prof Chat channel, where I am all about helping you maximize college and minimize stress. Today I am sharing 3 prof secrets that will help you level up your college chops to pro. And yes, number 3 may or may not involve a secret life. Secret number 1. Profs hate grading papers as much as you hate writing them. Grading takes a lot of work. For long-term papers especially, grading one paper can take multiple hours. Multiply that by 30, 60, or even over 100 students in a class, and you might be able to start to understand why it might take your prof a little longer to get that grade back to you than you had hoped. So why does this matter for students? Often, students don't really take the time to read all of those comments that the prof took so much time to write in because what does it matter, right? You've got the grade, the class is over, moving on. But the reality is those profs' comments, that feedback from an expert, is what you're paying for in college. So by just taking a few minutes to read through that feedback, you'll be able to submit something in the next class or for the next assignment that really shows off your growth. And let me tell you, that is why profs do what they do, to see you grow and reach your fullest potential. Secret number 2, your prof is bored during office hours. Now, no, they're not bored because they're meeting with you. They're bored because they're not meeting with you. In my decade as a professor, those drop-in visits from students during office hours became so rare that when somebody did happen to drop by, I practically wanted to jump up and hug them. The reality is profs set aside certain hours of their day or of their week to visit with students, to get to know students on a deeper level than is possible in the classroom setting. Yes, during those hours, they can grade or they can create exams or they can prep for the next class, but they really want to see you. They want to hear your questions. They want to chat about life, and they want to help you strategize for how to do even better on that next exam. So why does this matter for students? Again, access to these experts and student advocates is what you are paying for in college. You'll never again have such easy access to this kind of support and people who are genuinely there to help you grow. So take advantage of it and save your prof from some of that boredom. You will be amazed at how even just a few minutes can help you feel more connected to what you're learning in class and help you feel much more confident heading into that next exam. Secret number 3, professors have a secret life. Many students only see their profs in the classroom, so it makes sense to assume that that's the whole prof gig. You prep for class, you create exams, you grade papers, boom. But what many students don't realize is that the teaching part of being a professor is often only 30 to 50% of the job description. So what are professors doing for that other 50 to 70% of the time? Well, most of that other time is spent on things related to scholarship. Things like collecting data, writing articles or books, managing a research team, writing grants so you have money to pay that research team. So why does this matter for students? Well, when you graduate, you usually need some recommendation letters or at least some references, and having a couple from professors who really were able to get to know you beyond the classroom can be really valuable. One of the best ways to get that beyond the classroom connection with a prof is to join them in their research. So if you really enjoyed a prof in class and you do have some interest in their area of research, drop by those office hours and see if they have a way for you to join them in their secret research life. Who knows, you might even discover your own passion. Now, if you want the lowdown on how to go to those prof office hours without the stress, definitely check out this video right up here next. I will see you all next time. Happy studying.